Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best HP 63XL Black Ink Cartridge is probably one of the most essential components for anyone relying on their HP printer for daily tasks, whether it's printing important documents for work, school assignments, or even cherished family photos, ensuring that every printout is sharp, clear, and professional looking, making it a crucial investment for maintaining the quality and reliability of your printing output. Number 5. HP 63XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Experience consistent quality and reliability with our high-yield Black Ink Cartridge. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer for dependable results. Print up to 430 pages with this high-yield cartridge. This means fewer replacements and more time for your important tasks. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet, Envy, and OfficeJet printers. Enjoy hassle-free printing with a perfect fit. Save on ink with our Instant Ink program. It's an easy and affordable way to keep your printer running without interruption. Feel good about your purchase. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of plastic into our ink cartridges, helping to protect our oceans. Whether for home, office, or small business, this ink provides the quality you need for everyday printing. Trust it for all your printing demands. What we like. This cartridge offers a high page yield, perfect for frequent printing needs. It's engineered for consistent quality and reliability. If you prioritize genuine HP performance and value, this is the choice for you. What people say. This HP 63XL Black Ink Cartridge is a high-yield option, offering more pages than standard cartridges. The ink provides crisp, clear black text, making it suitable for documents and printing photos. Installation is straightforward, fitting easily into compatible HP printers without issues. Number 4. Relcolor 63XL Black Ink Cartridge. Introducing the Relcolor 63XL Black Ink Cartridge, designed for high-capacity printing. This cartridge offers exceptional value and performance for your printing needs. Experience nearly triple the ink capacity with our optimized internal layout and superior absorbent material. This means fewer replacements and more printing. Get up to 700 pages of crisp, black text from each cartridge. Enjoy extended printing without interruption, making it ideal for both home and office use. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet, OfficeJet, and Envy printers. Ensure seamless integration with your existing printer model. Equipped with the latest smart chips, our cartridges are recognized instantly by your printer, displaying accurate ink levels. Enjoy worry-free and efficient printing every time. Our cartridges are filled with high-quality, harmless ink and made from recycled plastic. They deliver vibrant printouts while protecting your printer and the environment. What we like. Experience significantly more prints with its optimized internal layout and superior absorbent material. This option provides up to 2.5-3x more pages per cartridge. If you're looking for maximum print volume and value in a multi-pack, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This HP 63XL Black Ink Cartridge provides high yield, printing significantly more pages than standard cartridges. The ink quality is excellent, producing crisp and clear text for documents and sharp images for photos. Installation is straightforward and recognized by the printer without any issues, ensuring a seamless user experience. Number 3. Remanufactured ink cartridges replacement for HP 63XL Black Ink, 2-pack. Get high-quality printing with our remanufactured Black Ink cartridges. This 2-pack is designed to be a reliable replacement for your HP 63XL ink. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP OfficeJet, Envy, and DeskJet printers. Ensure your printer model is listed for seamless integration. Each Black Ink cartridge can print up to 750 pages at a 5% coverage rate. Enjoy extended use before needing a replacement. Experience high-definition printing with stable performance. They provide clear, bright, and vibrant printing effects for all your documents. Choose a cost-effective and dependable printing solution. Our remanufactured cartridges offer great value without compromising on quality. Designed for easy installation, just like original cartridges. Simply replace your old ones and continue printing without any hassle. What we like. Get a great value with this 2-pack of remanufactured cartridges, offering a high page yield of up to 750 pages. They are designed for stable printing and vibrant results. If you need a cost-effective solution with reliable print quality for everyday use, consider this option. Number 2. Remanufactured 63XL Black Ink Cartridge, 2-pack. Get crisp, clear black text with our remanufactured ink cartridges. This 2-pack ensures you always have a backup ready for your printing needs. Each cartridge offers an impressive yield of up to 711 pages at 5% coverage. You can print more without frequent replacements. Designed for seamless integration with a wide range of HP DeskJet, OfficeJet, and NV printers. Check our list to ensure it works with your model. Equipped with the latest smart chips, these cartridges are quickly recognized by your printer. You'll get accurate ink level displays for a smooth printing experience. We stand by our product with a 24-month warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Enjoy worry-free printing with our dedicated 24-hour online customer service. What we like. This option provides an impressive page yield of up to 711 pages per cartridge, ensuring fewer replacements. It features upgraded smart chips for guaranteed compatibility and accurate ink level display. If you want peace of mind with a long warranty and reliable performance, this is a strong contender. What people say. The ink cartridge is a genuine HP product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with HP printers. This black ink cartridge provides crisp, clear text and sharp images, making it ideal for documents and photos. The HP 63XL cartridge offers a high page yield, meaning it can print more pages than a standard cartridge before needing replacement. Number 1. EcoVictor Remanufactured Ink Cartridge for HP 6363XL. Introducing our eco-friendly, remanufactured ink cartridges, designed to be a sustainable choice for your printing needs. They are compatible with a wide range of HP printers, ensuring a seamless fit. Experience exceptional page yields with our cartridges. The black cartridge can print up to 650 pages, and the color cartridge up to 400 pages, providing great value and reducing the frequency of replacements. These cartridges are designed to work flawlessly with numerous HP DeskJet, OfficeJet, and NV series printers. Enjoy reliable performance across many models. Equipped with the latest smart chips, our cartridges ensure full compatibility and allow you to easily monitor your ink levels. This means no surprises and a consistently smooth printing experience. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly materials and meeting FSC standards, these cartridges offer premium ink quality for sharp text and vibrant colors. They are rigorously cleaned, refurbished, and refilled for excellence. This combo pack includes one black and one color XL ink cartridge, rigorously inspected for perfect compatibility and performance. It makes a thoughtful gift for home, office, or students. What we like. Choose sustainability with these eco-friendly remanufactured cartridges, made from durable, recycled materials and certified climate pledge friendly. They offer a high yield for both black and color printing. If environmental consciousness and high quality, sustainable printing are important to you, this combo pack is the ideal choice. What people say. This HP 63XL Black Ink cartridge provides high yield, printing significantly more pages than standard cartridges. The ink quality is excellent, producing crisp and clear text for documents and sharp images. Installation is straightforward and recognized immediately by my HP printer without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.